So here's an interesting app called Nebula, horoscope and astrology. Yeah, you can use for all kinds of purposes. If you like horoscopes and astrology, all of that, you can check out if your partner is the one for you. Of course, this is not like the final advice. It's just subjective. If you wanted to decide whether this app is serious or not. But yeah, you can just find some at least some ideas and some interesting shots and all of that. So just open up the app, enter your birth date, and then yeah, for example, you can check compatibility with some other zodiac signs and all of that. You can check your log compatibility, add your details, and then your partners to see the result. You can check out the horoscope. How do you feel about your partner today? You can just check out that. You see your horoscope, some top community posts, key astrology events, some advisors. Then you can get some free 3 minutes and then ask questions. But after that, I think you need to pay an upgrade. Then you can win a prize, some community posts, some guides, and all of that. So just basically, this is one of the most popular astrology apps out there. So definitely give it a try. As you can see, all of this is accessible for free. However, if you want, you will need to upgrade to access more features. So yeah, there you have it.